Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your music to every major platform like Spotify, Apple Music, SoundCloud, and many more completely for free by using FreshTunes. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, search for freshtunes.com. If this is your first time using FreshTunes, click on Sign Up. Now fill in your username, email address, first name, and the rest of the required details, then click on Submit. Once that's done, FreshTunes will send you an activation email. Open another window and go to Gmail. If you can't find the email in your inbox, check the spam folder. Open the email and click Confirm Email. This will open a new window where you need to create a strong password for your account. After your account has been successfully created, log in using the email and password you just set. You'll now see the FreshTunes dashboard where you have access to your music analytics, artist details, finances, and releases. To upload your music, go to the top left corner and click on New Release. This is where we'll enter all the information about your song. Start by typing in the exact title of your track. In my case, I'm releasing a song called Blue City Lights, and it's important that this title matches perfectly everywhere you use it. Now, if you are uploading a single song, then type single at the end of the song name. FreshTunes needs to know whether your release is a single or an album, and this is very important from an admin perspective. Now select the title language and genre. Next, fill in the copyright and label information. If you don't have an official label, you can simply type in your own name. After that, upload your artwork. Make sure your artwork meets the platform requirements and that the artist name on the artwork matches the artist name you'll enter later. One very important thing to note is that the song title, artist name, and artwork must all match exactly. Even small differences can cause your release to be rejected. Once that's done, click on Continue. Now it's time to upload the audio file itself. Ideally, your track should be a WAV file, as it's higher quality. If your song is currently an MP3, you can easily convert it by searching online for MP3 to WAV converter. After the track uploads, expand the track list section. Next, confirm whether the track is explicit or clean, select whether it contains vocals, and then add the language for the vocals. Now it's time to add the artist details. Click on Add. If you're releasing a song for the first time, click on Add New. Now add the artist name, click on Save, and then Add. Repeat the process for the songwriter and the contributors. One other thing, in the song title of the track list, remove the file extension and add Single again. Once that's done, click on Continue. Select Distribution to all platforms and choose All Countries. For the release date, you can either select a specific date or choose to release it as soon as possible. You'll also have the option to choose a short snippet of your song for TikTok. When it loads properly, you can drag and select the exact part of your song you want people to hear. This step is optional, but it's useful if you already know which part of your song performs best. After that, click Continue and Save. If you see an error, FreshTunes will tell you exactly where the issue is. In my case, I needed to double-check the producer and composer details. Here, you can see that I didn't add the composer by mistake. Click on the Add button below Songwriter and add the necessary details. Once everything is filled in correctly, click on Save, then Review. You'll see the song title, release type, artist details, contributor roles, distribution platforms, and TikTok preview. When everything looks good, click Send for Review. Your release will now be sent to moderation, and if everything is good within the review, your song will be released to all the platforms. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides, and if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.